Hey, do you want to grow your personal brand and generate a ton of business on LinkedIn? I am Mandar Marathe, a digital marketing coach, consultant, and entrepreneur. I am going to give you my blueprint to success on LinkedIn in this webinar. I'm going to teach you how to identify your target audience on LinkedIn. Not just identify your target audience, but make the right connection and reach out to the right people, the right decision makers on LinkedIn. I will teach you how to build your killer LinkedIn profile that will attract the right audience, make your profile engaging so that people click through to your website or go to your sales funnel. And finally, I'm also going to talk to you about my LinkedIn content strategy that will help you to further your brand on LinkedIn. Not just this, I'm giving you access to a full-fledged course that we have developed on personal branding on LinkedIn. Along with the course, I'm going to give you access to 7+ resources that will help you to improve your game on LinkedIn. So what are you waiting for? Register for the webinar now and see you soon.